Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. So we all know, or some of us know, that Brenda Nqoli, yeah, Brenda Nqoli, right? I think I pronounced the surname right, has been trending because she finally exposed the abuse that she's been under through the hands of her mom, right? Ugo had a lot. So she did a video. I could not post the video because to some extent there was vulgar, to some extent there was the children were there in the background, and I think she took a picture showing that she was carrying the other at the back and the other in the front. So yeah, it was a bit tricky. But MTN News reported Ferguson Films shown their support for Brenda Nqoli with a generous donation of 50,000 rands. Additionally, content creator Mandisa Tingana has raised over 100,000 for the actress, reflecting the immense backing she's receiving from South Africans during this challenging time. Guys, we all know from Home Affairs that we love Brenda. Like, she is a good actor. She has been giving things, like she's been delivering. But people, you know what, they just needed to comment and needed to say something, right? So here are a few comments from the X streets that were said. What are we adding ke thina? Kuyabuzwa. Thina we are adding ini? We are adding ukushare le ndaba. Ngoba thina asikakabi no 50k, asikakabi no 100k, asikakabi no K. So because asikakabi naye, thina we are participating by sharing the news and hoping somebody will hear the news and continue to contribute. I think the contribution is towards ensuring that she gets out of the mother's house, perhaps get ichotyombe lakhe elincane aside where she can be safe with her children. The other comment was, she must build a house with the 110k she will be receiving. Aphume ekibo. She must build emalalini, emakhaya, so that everything is cheap and affordable. Now, people are going to advise, obviously, because again, they are donating the money, and according to them, they say they are money, so they will have an opinion. But I think if Connie is adding 50, so it's at 150k. And then another one says, may she buy a new house cash, like 200 to 300, nothing expensive. So everybody's saying she must not, go big. She must just go small and stay small. But I believe Uguti, the comments are most encouraging and they want her to rise from whatever is happening in the situation. All we can do is to thank Mama Connie Ferguson, because most of the time she was painted as a villain. So now the villain is here and she's making moves. But also, guys, how do you then bring Dr. Malinga into this whole situation? Nina. Yazi Nina. Huh.